So I am currently in my friend's 1-bedroom New York City apartment, and today we are going to show you what $2,400 gets you in New York City. Spoiler, it's pretty big. Let's go. All right, let's see what it looks like entering the apartment. So as you can see, the first thing you walk into is the kitchen, which in New York standards is very big. Enough space to do some cooking, prep work. You have all your plates and dishes here. On this side, you even have your own oven and stovetop, which is pretty cool. Got your sink right there, microwave. All these spaces are very well utilized, so a lot of space. Basic refrigerator and freezer. So overall, yeah, this is a good sized kitchen for New York City. Now, what location are we in currently?
We are in Hell's Kitchen in New York City, Manhattan.
Hell's Kitchen, why did you choose Hell's Kitchen?
I love the area and I got an Airbnb close to here before I moved here. Times Square is close by, there are a lot of cool restaurants and bars, a lot of museums. The Museum of Modern Art is close to here. Yeah, it's an awesome location, you can check it out on the map.
In the interim is a pantry. Pretty decent size. Now we enter the living room. Excuse the mess, this is my stuff from staying here, and my friend is currently moving out, so might be some packing and boxes going on, but still a lot of space. You'll see we have a nice sized couch right here, perfect for lounging and watching movies on the big TV. This is a perfect spot to just lounge around with your friends, have some people over, hang out, watch a movie, have some drinks, some food. Overall, this is a good space, and I think for New York City, this is very large. My favorite part is actually this desk, this office desk space. You can get a lot of work done here. This is a pretty good size, and I mean, this is your office right here. You could work from home with no issues. You even have your own window light. Granted, it's not the craziest view, but hey, at least you have some window light. That's the owner's closet. It's shut off, nothing behind there. Really cool bookshelf, actually. This bookshelf is awesome. I run some Airbnbs myself, and was curious how they actually held this thing up all together. It's pretty sturdy. So, A+. A+ for that one. So, did this place come fully furnished?
It did. All included, I just had to bring my clothes.
So you didn't add anything to here? This was all here already?
I did bring that little man here.
Oh, okay.
It's my boyfriend.
All right, moving on from the living room slash office, we are going in here to the bathroom. Yeah, I mean, I think this is a good sized bathroom. Pretty decent sized bathroom, you know, it does the job. How much is this whole place per month?
$2,400 per month, including Wi-Fi.
Okay, and that's all you pay? You don't pay utilities like electric, water,
Nope,
nothing?
That's all included.
And then after that, we have the bedroom. You got a full-size bed in here, dresser, fits all your clothing, extra TV for entertainment, and another closet. Perfect. As far as space-wise, I think you are pretty good with this whole apartment. Essentially, that is it. It's just a straight shot. Come from the bedroom here into this hallway to the bathroom, living room, kitchen, you're done. But let me tell you my favorite part about this apartment that I'm not sure most New York City apartments have, but if you're lucky enough to have this nice little amenity, then count yourself lucky. Yes, there is a terrace, but that's actually not the best part. Yes, I'm zipping up because it is very cold, it's January, and my hands get very cold, so much better. The best part is that ladder. That ladder is gonna take us somewhere pretty cool. Okay, now tell me, what is your favorite part about this apartment?
What I love about it is the architecture. It's very old. If you get in here, it smells like home. And the rooftop is awesome, and the location is the cherry on the top.
Okay, there's 3 favorite parts there, but we'll take it. This is my favorite part about this apartment. The rooftop. Me personally, I love rooftops and I love heights. So anytime I try to find somewhere new to live, I always see if there's access to a rooftop or some type of terrace or balcony, just because, I don't know, this is cool to me. It's a nice place to get out, relax, take a break from work or from the world. That's really big, and I love seeing stuff like that. I'd love to get on that rooftop. Oh, and here's the funny thing. Probably not supposed to be up here, but on the other side of the street is like some type of police headquarters or something. But yeah, a bunch of cop cars out there. You live in New York City and you can get a rooftop. Highly recommended. $2,400 for this place, fully furnished, and you got access to your own private rooftop. As long as you know how to climb a ladder. If you have a fear of heights, then it's kind of useless to you. How are you doing so much better than yesterday? Now, if you had to tell me your least favorite part, what would that be?
Well, it's on the 5th flight, so never skip leg day.
Now, if there was one downside I would have to nitpick about this apartment, there is one. Ready? It's the stairs. There's a lot of them. That's like a lot of stairs. The one benefit is that you will definitely be in shape, because you have to be. Honestly, going down the stairs isn't bad, but going up sucks. This is your delivery room. I guess everybody has their own mailbox, and Amazon packages just go right there. As for security, you have top of the line security. First, you gotta get through that door, which anybody can get through. You can buzz whoever you're trying to visit, but then this one is locked. So you can only get in with a key, or to be buzzed in, or if somebody lets you in. Let's make sure I don't get locked out, but yeah, top of the line security right there. Only the best in New York City. And now to do the worst part, go up these stairs.
It would be more convenient if there was a dryer.
Okay, so where do you go to do all your laundry?
It's 2 blocks from here.
So just your local laundromat, 2 blocks away.
Make sure you have quarters.
Got
Lots
it.
of quarters. Other than that, it's perfect.
Okay, so the stairs and the laundry unit, those are the 2 dislikes if there were any.
Yep.
So regarding the price, $2,400 for a 1-bedroom apartment might sound like a lot, and it kind of is, especially when you compare it to something like a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, full townhouse apartment. There's obviously a difference, but at the same time, you gotta compare the location. Here in New York, we're literally right in it, right in Hell's Kitchen. We're in a great location. Everybody wants to be here. That townhouse in Philadelphia is in West Philly. It's about 10 to 15 minutes out of Center City. So there's give and take. But at the end of the day, it really just depends where you wanna be, what your job is, what your price budget is, how much you can afford, and do you wanna live in the Big Apple, pay a premium to live this lifestyle, or do you wanna get the best bang for your buck and live somewhat out of the city, but have a ton of space, and yeah, you just have a ton of space for a lot less compared to what you would pay here. Everybody's different. Pick your poison. Well, thanks for the apartment tour. Off to sushi.
Woo! New day, new cookie.
Day, new cookie. Here we go.
How would you rate it on a scale from 0 to 10?
9.6.
And compared to Cookie City?
Chip City. Ooh, that was like a 9.7. Ooh. But they're good.